Hi students, today we are discussing one more dynamic programming application, that is a multi-stage graph. In previous class video we study forward method approach. Now we study a backward method approach. It's very opposite to the forward method approach. Listen carefully. In coming to the forward method, we will move to first stage to kth stage. We are coming to the concept of a backward method, we will move to a kth stage to first stage. What does it exactly? If we prefer the backward method, if there are k stages in a graph, how many stages in a graph we need? K stages. K stages in a graph consists of edges and vertices. In a graph we are using backward approach. In a graph what we are using there, the concept will be a backward approach. Here we will find out the cost of each and every vertex. We need to find out here the cost of each and every vertex starting from first stage to the kth stage. Okay. Now we will find out the minimum cost path from a destination to a source, from a destination T to source. Yes, that is from stage K to stage 1. Now coming to the main concept of procedure of backward method, it is very similar to forward approach. Already I said to you, but it differs only in 2 or 3 ways. In 2 or 3 ways it differs. So here, to maintain a cost matrix, to store the cost of every vertices, so what we have to store there, to store the cost of every vertices, and we want to maintain a distance matrix. We want to maintain a distance matrix to store the minimum distance vertex. So what we have to store there? Minimum distance vertex. First of all, we need to maintain a cost matrix. Whatever we need to store the cost of each and every vertices and a distance matrix to store the minimum distance vertex. And coming to the third key point of the procedure, coming to the forward method, we want to find out the cost of each and every vertex starting from vertex 1 up to vertex K. And coming to the fourth point, we need to find out the path start from vertex K. We need to find out the path. We need to find out the path start from vertex K, then the distance array D of capital letter D of K, it will be represented. It will give the minimum cost neighbor vertex. What it will give? Minimum cost neighbor vertex. So which will give to the next nearest neighbor vertex, which in turn gives the next nearest neighbor vertex, and proceed. And we need to proceed till we reach the destination vertex. Now we need to start in step-by-step procedure. Already I gave the diagram to you previously for the forward approach. That diagram you need to follow the diagram only. Okay, already I gave the diagram for forward approach. All members are follow that diagram only. Listen carefully, all of you follow the forward approach diagram only. Now look at all of you write down the notes. All of you write down the notes at a multi-stage graph. All of you look at the notes, the diagram. Now I can explain you in a clear-cut way. All of you look at the diagram at notes, and now I can explain here. Look at the diagram, all of you, at your notes. Okay. Cost of 1, it will be assigned to 0. Why? Because of cost of 1 that doesn't give. That's why the cost of one vertex, it will be assigned to 0. And coming to the cost of 2 in the sense where it will goes the cost of 2, 1 to 2, how much the cost? 9. And cost of 3, how much the cost of 1, 2, 3, 7. And coming to the cost of 4, 1 to 4, the cost will be 3. Now coming to the cost of 5, 1 to 5, the cost will be 2. Now we have to be calculated the destination of 1. Destination of 1 in the sense you doesn't know the value here. Destination of 1 will be 1 only. The vertex we have to be started at vertex 1 will be. That's why the destination of 1 will be 1. And coming to the destination of 2, where it will comes from 1. That's why we have to be taken destination of 2, that will be assigned assigned to 1. And coming to the destination of 3, destination of 3 where it will come from 1, that's why 1. Destination of 4 where it will come from 1 node, that's why destination of 4 will be 1. Coming to the destination of 5, destination of 5 will be come from node 1, node 1, that's why I will keep 1. Now we have to be calculated cost of 6, cost of 7, cost of 8, cost of 9, cost of 10, cost of 11, cost of 12. As it is, we have to be calculated destination of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now we have to maintain the formula. Already I say to you a forward approach. Okay, that formula we have to be maintained amma here. Now we have to look at the diagram, all of you. At the diagram we need to understand this concept. Cost of 6 will be assigned to minimum of cost of, here look at the diagram, 2 to 6 the arrow will be there, and 3 to 6 the arrow will be there. Look at that's why we have to maintain minimum of cost of 2 comma 6 plus cost of 2 comma cost of 3 comma 6 plus cost of 3. Now we have to be calculated minimum of cost of 2 comma 6. How much the value? 4 plus cost of 2, how much the value? 9. 2 plus 9, how much? That 2 plus cost of 2 comma 6, how much? 4 ma. The answer will be 4. 4 plus cost of 2, 9. 9 plus 4, how much? 13. Minimum of 13 comma cost of 3 comma 6. Cost of 3 comma 6, how much the value? 2. 2 plus cost of 3, how much? 7. 2 plus 7, how much? 9. Okay, here the minimum value 13 comma 9, which one is minimum? 9 is the minimum. Now cost of 6 will be assigned to 9. Now we have to get the destination of 6 value. Destination of 6, if we have to be look at destination of 6 in the sense where you can get the minimum value 13 comma 9, 9 is the minimum value. That's why we have to be taken yet cost of 3. That's why the cost of 3 is the destination of 6. Destination of 6 will be 3. Okay, here look at where the minimum value we need to get cost of 3 comma 6 plus cost of 3. That minimum value is 9. That's why we have to be taken the destination of 6 will be 3. Okay, and coming to the cost of 7. Cost of 7, minimum of cost of 7 will be the node, the direction 7 will be 3 to 7 is there, 5 to 7 is there, 2 to 7 is there, 3 direction is there. Okay, cost of 7 will be assigned to minimum of 3 comma 7 plus cost of 3 comma cost of 5 comma 7 plus cost of 5 comma cost of 2 comma 7 plus cost of 2. Okay, now if we have to be calculated cost of 3 comma 7, how much the value? 7 plus cost of 3, 7. 7 plus 7, how much? 14 comma cost of 5 comma 7, how much the value? 11. 11 plus cost of 5, how much? Cost of 5, how much? 2. Okay, 11 plus 2, how much? 13 comma. Now we have to be calculated cost of 2 comma 7. 2 comma 7, how much cost? 2. 2 plus cost of 2, 9. 9 plus 2, how much? 11. Which one, which value is minimum? 14 comma 13 comma 11. 11 is the minimum value. Cost of 7 will be assigned to 11. Now we have to be calculated destination of 7. Where the destination of 7 will be calculated minimum value, if you have to be chosen, where you can get the cost of 7 minimum value? 11. In which cost of 2. That's why destination of 7 will be 2. Okay, 2. How we can get the 2? Destination of 7 will be 2. The minimum value 14 comma 13 comma 11. 11 is the minimum value. In which place we can get cost of 2? We can get the 11. That's why destination of 7 will be assigned to 2. Now we can move to the cost of 8. Cost of 8 will be assigned to minimum of cost of 8. The directions will be 4 to 8 will be there, 5 to 8 will be there, 2 to 8 will be there. Okay, look at the question. Cost of 8 will be assigned to minimum of cost of 2 comma 8 plus cost of 2 comma cost of 4 comma 8 plus cost of 4 comma cost of 5 comma 8 plus cost of 5. Now if you have to be calculated cost of 2 comma 8 in the question what I gave ma, already I said 10 is wrong ma, only 2 to 8 the direction 2 to 8 the direction will be 1 only. All of you sorry to make a note 2 ma, all of you write down 2 to 8 the arrow 2 to 8 the edge cost will be 1 itself only. All of you make down that 2 to 8 the cost of edge will be 1 ma. Okay, minimum of cost of 2 comma 8 1 plus cost of 2 9, 1 plus 9 how much 10 comma cost of 4 comma 8 how much 11 plus cost of 4 3, 11 plus 3 14 comma cost of 5 comma 8 how much 5 comma 8 8 plus cost of 5 how much 2, 8 plus 2 10. Here which value is minimum of 10 comma 14 comma 10. Now we have to choose the first value. Cost of 8 will be assigned to 10 amma, minimum value will be 10. Now the destination of 8 will be 2. How we can take it as 2? The minimum value, where we can get the minimum value 10, 2 comma 8 2, cost of 2 comma 8 plus cost of 2 we can get the value of 10. That's why we can make it as destination of 8 will be assigned to 2, and we can also take it as a cost of 5 comma 8 plus cost of 5, it also will become 10. If you have to be taken destination of 8 will be 2 comma 5, 2 or 5 we have to be taken. Here I have to look at the box below ma, the box below I gave a destination of 8, destination of 8 will be 2 by 5, in the sense 2 we will taken as minimum value 10 and 5 cost of 5 also we will taken as a 10. That's why we will take it at 2 by 5. The destination of 8 will be 2 by 5. Okay, and coming to the cost of 9, cost of 9 minimum of cost of, listen carefully ma, minimum of cost of here the 9 cost of 9, how many nodes will go to there? 6th node will go to there, 7th node will go to there, 6 to 9 will be direction will be there, 7 to 9 will be direction will be there. That's why cost of 9 will be assigned to minimum of cost of 6 comma 9 plus cost of 6 comma cost of 7 comma 9 plus cost of 7. Now we have to be taken cost of 6 comma 9, what the value? 6 plus cost of 6 9, 6 plus 9 how much? 15 comma cost of 7 comma 9 the value will be 4, 4 plus cost of 7 11, 11 plus 4 how much? 15, minimum of 15 comma 15 how much we will get the value? Minimum value 15, cost of 9 will be assigned to 15. Now we have to be take it as a destination of 9, destination of 9 will be cost of 6 cost of 7, 6 by 7 amma. Here look at the below diagram box, destination of 9 I will be given 6 by 7. Why? Because of cost of 6 cost of 7 we have to be taken as a minimum value 15 comma 15, so we can wrote it as destination of 9 will be assigned to 6. Destination of 9 will be assigned to 6 by 7. Here look at the diagram, the given the box, destination of 9 6 by 7. Okay, cost of 6 cost of 7 we have get the destination of 9, destination of 9 will be assigned to 6 by 7. Now we have to be calculated cost of 10. Cost of 10th node, how many nodes will be directed to 10? 6 to 10 direction will be there, 7 to 10 direction will be there, 8 to 10 direction will be there. Now we have to be calculated minimum of cost of 6 comma 10 plus cost of 6 comma cost minimum of cost of 7 comma 10 plus cost of 7 comma cost of 8 comma 10 plus cost of 8. Now we have to be calculated minimum value. Now so cost of 6 comma 10 how much the value? 6 comma 10 5. Okay, 5 plus cost of 6, 5 plus 9 how much? 5 plus 9 how much? 5 plus 9 14 comma cost of 7 comma 10 how much? 3 plus cost of 7 how much? 11 plus 3 how much? 14 comma 14 comma cost of 8 comma 10 5 plus cost of 8 cost of 8 10. Okay, 10 plus 5 how much? 15. Which one is the minimum value? 14 comma 14 comma 15. Which one is the minimum of 14 comma 14 comma 15? Which one is minimum of 14 comma 14? 14 value is the minimum. Cost of 10 will be assigned to 14. Where we can get the value of 14 comma 14? Cost of 6, cost of 7. Now we have to be taken destination of 10 will be 6 by 7. Destination of 10 will be 6 by 7 and 6 or 7. Okay. Now we move to cost of 11. Cost of 11 in the sense only one direction, cost of 8 only. Cost of 8 comma 11 plus cost of 8. Okay, a cost of 8 comma 11, how much? The direction 6 plus cost of 8, how much? Cost of 8 will be, how much we can get? 10 plus 6, how much? 16. Cost of 11 will be 16. Now the destination of 11 will be 8 only one direction. Destination of 11 will be 8. Okay, 8 will be the minimum value. That's why destination of 11 will be 8. Now we have to be calculated the last cost of 12. Cost of 12 in the sense ninth node will directed to 12, 10th node will be directed to 12, 11th node will be directed to 12. Now we have to be calculated cost minimum of cost of 9 comma 12 plus cost of 9 comma cost of 10 comma 12 plus cost of 10 comma cost of 11 comma 12 plus cost of 11. Now we have to be calculated cost of 9 comma 12 4 plus cost of 9 15 19 comma cost of 10 comma 12 2 plus cost of 10 14 16 comma cost of 11 comma 12 5 plus cost of 11 16 plus 5 21. Now which value is the minimum? 19 comma 16 comma 21. 16 value is minimum. Cost of 12 will be assigned to 16. Cost of 12 will be assigned to 16. Now destination of 12 will be 16. In which cost we get? Cost of 10. That's why we will make it as a destination of 12 will be 10. Okay, in cost of 10 we can get, that's why we make it as destination of 12 will be 10. Okay, here the path, now we have to be calculated the path ma. Listen carefully, otherwise we can't able to understand the path ma. Starting in here we have to be taken start from vertex 12. Here all of you look at this is the vertex numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now we have to be get the cost of 1 0, cost of 2 9, cost of 3 7, cost of 4 3, cost of 5 2, cost of 6 9, cost of 7 11, cost of 8 10, cost of 9 12 15, cost of 10 14, cost of 11 16, cost of 12 16. Likewise coming to the destination of 1, destination of 1 will be 1, destination of 2 will be 1, destination of 3 will be 1, destination of 4 will be 1, destination of 5 will be 1. Now we can calculate destination of 6 will be 3, destination of 7 will be 2, destination of 8 will be 2 by 5, destination of 9 will be 6 by 7, destination of 10 will be 6 by 7, destination of 11 will be 8, destination of 12 will be 10. Okay, now we have to start from vertex 12. Listen carefully ma. Here look at the box. 12, the destination here 10, that is that first coming to the 12th start from vertex 12 ma. 12 to destination of 12, how much we can get? 10. Now we have to be look at destination of 10. Look at destination of 10. Destination of 10 we have to be look at 6 or 7 is there. We have to be taken the first preference 6. Now we have to be look at destination of 6. Destination of 6 how much? 3. Okay, look at the box here. Destination of 6 will be 3. Now we have to be look at destination of 3. Destination of 3 will be look at the box ma 1. Okay, now so the minimum cost path is 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 12. In the sense 1 to 3 the distance will be 7. 3 to 6 2, 6 to 10 5, 10 to 12 2. This is the shortest distance. This is the minimum cost. We have to be calculated 7 plus 2 how much? 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 16. So the cost is 16. Yes, the cost is 16. This is the minimum cost path. How we can calculate the path in the sense based upon the starting vertex from vertex 12, the destination of 12 how much? 10. We have to be look at the destination of 10 how much? 6. Destination of 6 how much? 3. Destination of 3 how much? 10. Okay, destination of 3 how much? 1. Okay, now we have to be calculated 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 12. This is the path, this is the cost path, the minimum cost path. We have to be calculated 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 16. This is the minimum cost path amma. Now we have to be studied the algorithm, backward method algorithm. Algorithm B graph in the sense backward graph. We have to be taken some values G comma K comma N comma P, where the input is a k-stage graph. Graph consists of vertices and edges with n vertex. So indexed in order of stages. E in the sense capital letter E in the sense set of edges, and C of I comma j is the cost of I comma j. So P of P varies from 1 to k. It is the minimum cost path. So we have to be calculated backward cost of 1. Backward cost of 1 will be assigned to 0.0. For we have to be check the condition for loop. J will be assigned to 2 to n. Now we have to calculate backward cost of j, and let we have to be take R be the vertex such that R comma j is an edge of graph G, and backward cost of j will be assigned to backward cost of R plus cost of R comma j semicolon. And now we have to be check the condition D. Destination of j will be assigned to R. R be the vertex such that R comma j in an edge of graph G amma. So we have to be finding a minimum cost path here. We have to be assigned a path of 1 will be 1. P of k will be assigned to n. For loop j will be assigned to k minus 1 to n. Do the condition check. P of j will be assigned to destination of P of j plus 1. It is the algorithm format of backward method. Okay, if you have any doubts, can you please contact me. Thank you.